Quack! Woo-woo! It's so hot today! I'm melting like butter. Dear little clouds, please come soon! I wish it would rain right now. Then we can splash, dance, jump, and have the best day ever! Whoo! Rumble, rumble, boom!
Follow the clouds, heard her wish, swish, swish. 5 funny ducks went swish, 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 splashing around with a splish, splish, splish. Wiggling tails, flapping feet, sunny weather felt so sweet.
After swimming all around, they found a cozy spot on the ground.
Little blankets nice and neat, time to rest their tired feet.
One by one they closed their eyes, dreaming under sunny skies. Quack, quack, sleeping softly in the breeze.
Pitter patter tap tap tap. Raindrops landed, plip plop plap. One little duck rubbed sleepy eyes. Wake up, friends, look at the skies.
Hurry, hurry, she cried out, the rain is falling from the cloud.
Each duck grabbed a little blanket, covered their heads in just a second.
Waddle, waddle, flap, 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 running home with tap, tap, tap.
Safe inside, they looked outside, watching raindrops side by side. Then one duck laughed with happy eyes.
I've got a super fun surprise! Why stay in? Let's go and play!
Rain won't scare us anyway.
They grabbed umbrellas red and blue, yellow, green, and purple too.
5 little ducks stood in a line, looking cute and feeling fine. Jump, jump, splash, splash, splash.
Laugh together, flap your wings, everybody dance and sing. Back inside, all warm and dry,
Changing clothes in the blink of an eye.
then they cooked hot pakoras round.
Crunch, crunch, what a yummy sound. Rain has washed the heat away. Jump and giggle, sing hooray. We all love a rainy day.
Bye bye, friends. We'll see you in our next friendship. Until then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. If you enjoyed this rhyme, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Bubloo tunes with your family and friends. Bye bye. See you soon.